NCLH stock analysis and NCLH stock prediction. This is for 16th of June, Monday. I'm breaking down my exact plan and everything. And as I'm looking at Norwegian Cruise Line, it's in this big correction phase, right? Like what I'm not going to do here, just randomly start buying. Having done well over 42,000 videos myself of seeing what's printing me money and what's not, especially now. All that I want to see is a double break confirmation. Okay, so this means, my bad, let's go here. NCLH, have two results popping up. And yeah, this is a great setup because it's a sort of a high time frame idea. And I like just how clear it is. I mean, honestly, it's all there is to it. Like in order for me, like at least I'll just add like a waiting sign because if this red part does not happen, I'm not buying. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.